Welcome to C programming tutorials, and in this video we are going to discuss about the fourth method to swap two numbers. So let's consider a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and let's assume that interviewer has asked you don't need to use a third variable as well as you don't need to perform a arithmetic operation. You need to do this with the help of some logical operators. So how we will do this? In this video we are going to discuss this. So we can swap two number a and b with the help of XOR operation also. So let me show you how we can do this. So let's say we have a equal to 10. The binary value of a will be the 1010, and I am representing in a 8-bit, so this bit will be 0. Now here let's consider b equal to 20. So the 20 will be like this 10100. So this is the binary value of 20. Now if we will perform the XOR operation between a and b, the XOR operation will be like, if we have the two same number, the XOR will be the 0. So here you can see that 0 XOR 0 is 0, 1 XOR 0 is 1. So here also 1, here also 1, and this will be 1. The remaining will be 0 because both the number are same. So now if you will convert this, so for an easy calculation I will show you one trick also, like if we can use a 8421 method. So the value of this 0 is like with 1. So here we have all this 1, so it is 8 plus 4 plus 2, which is 14, and the value of this next bit will be like 16, and then there will be 32, then 34 and 128 likewise. So here we need to add 16 in it, so the total will be 30. So in this way we will get the value of a equal to 30 after the XOR operation. Now you got the point. So now let's do another XOR operation and update the value of b. So here now we have a equal to 30. You know the value of a in the binary, that is 11110. So this is the binary value of a. Now b is already 20, so here we will take it directly, this 10100. Now again perform the XOR operation, both numbers are same, the result will be 0, 10 will be 1, this both numbers are same, the result will be 0. Now again these are different, so result will be 1, these are same, so 0. So if you will calculate the value of this, then again as per this 8421 we know that this value is 8 and this value is 2, so the answer will be 10. So now we have b equal to 10. Now next, again perform XOR operation between a and b. This time we want the value of a. So you can see that the value of a is 30 right now, b is already updated to 10, and if you will perform the XOR operation, the number are same, so 0, number are same, so 0, these are different, so that's why it is 1. All number are same but these are different, so the result will be 1 over here. So again if you will convert this binary number to the decimal, so this has a value of 16, right, and this has a value of 4. So 4 plus 16 is what? 20. So now we got a value of a equal to 20. So in this way, by using a XOR operation also you can swap the value. Let's verify this into the program. So now we are going to write a program for the fourth method, that is using XOR operation. So I will write fourth method, and if you would like to mention, you can mention that using XOR operation. And let's copy the function also, so that we don't need to write this again. And this time we will update the number as a 4, and here as I already explained you, we need to only perform the XOR operation. So we will use this cap over here, and that's it. And instead of calling 3, we will call the fourth one. So this I will comment, and here I will mention as fourth method, and let's run this program and verify it. So you can see that a equal to 20 and b equal to 10. We can try some another number also. Let's say 50 and 20. No. Okay. 40. Let's run the program. So a equal to now 40, b equal to 50. Okay, that's it. So in the next video, we are going to learn about another method to swap these two variables. Don't miss it. Thank you so much for watching this video.